In this step-by-step tutorial, you will learn how you can sign into your broker account on MetaTrader 4. So the first thing we need to do is head over to MetaTrader 4, and then once you open up MetaTrader 4, you will now be on your quotes page. From here, you want to go to the bottom right hand corner, click on settings, and then from here, you now want to select new account. Once we click on new account, you will then be able to click on login to an existing account. From here, you will now need to choose your server and your broker on which you opened an account with. So for example, I will search for IC Markets, click on search, and then you want to now identify the server that your account is on. So for example, I will just go ahead and click on IC Markets Live 01. And then once you click on this, you will then be able to enter in your login information and also your password, which you will get from your broker via email or via your account. Once you enter this in, you just need to click on sign in the top right hand corner. And then once you click on sign in with the correct information, that will mean that you have logged in and connected your broker account to MetaTrader 4.